Roughly 4 years after the murders of Lori Vallow's 2 children and her husband's former wife, it took an Idaho jury less than 6 hours to reach a verdict. And tonight we are bringing you KREM 2 team coverage about that case.
KREM 2's Amanda Rowley has details on the verdict and what's next for Vallow.
It did not take long for the jury to make a decision. They started deliberations yesterday afternoon, came back this morning, and reached a verdict by 10:45 a.m.
Lori Vallow is accused of killing her 2 children and the former wife of her husband, Vallow-Daybell. She was facing 6 criminal charges for the crime. In order to be found guilty of first-degree murder, the jury had to determine Vallow killed, commanded someone to kill, and/or encouraged the killing of the victims, and it had to be unanimous. The jury spent about 6 hours deliberating, with 39 jury instructions to consider before reaching a decision. That decision came in just before 11 a.m. Then the court gave everyone an hour to return to court for the verdict.
All right, please.
The jury found Vallow guilty of all 6 charges.
Is Lori Noreen Vallow not guilty or guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder of Tylee Ryan and grand theft by deception? Answer, guilty.
As they read through each count, Vallow gave no reaction to any of the guilty verdicts.
First-degree murder of Tylee Ryan. Answer, guilty.
The next step is Vallow's sentence hearing, which the judge says won't be held for another 3 months. The death penalty is no longer on the table for Vallow. That's because of a judge order for late discovery submissions that happened before the trial.
Now, Vallow-Daybell will have a separate trial and is facing similar charges to Vallow. A firm start date has not yet been set, but June next year is a possibility. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.